The most in-demand jobs in 2022 will be those that require creativity and critical thinking. These jobs will be in high demand because they are skills that cannot be replaced by technology. Some of the most common jobs in this category include 1. Personal care aide. 2. Registered nurse. 3. Mechanical engineer. 4. Operations research analyst. 5. Nurse practitioner. 6. Software developer, applications. 7. Home health aide. 8. Physical therapist assistant. 9. Computer systems analyst. 10. Human resources specialist. Personal care aide is a person who provides direct care for the elderly and infirm in a private home or facility. Median annual salary, $20,610. High demand for this job is expected due to increasing life expectancy and the growing elderly population. Do you want a job that is in high demand? Personal care aides are projected to be the second fastest growing occupation between now and 2022. This is largely due to the increasing life expectancy of Americans, which means that there will be more elderly people who need assistance with their everyday activities. A personal care aide's work is both important and fulfilling. You will have the opportunity to make a real difference in someone's life, and you will receive training on how to provide quality care for those who need it most. Registered nurse is a person who manages and delivers care to individuals, families, and communities so that they may attain, maintain, or recover optimal health and quality of life. Median annual salary, $65,470. High demand for this job is expected due to the increasing number of aging baby boomers who will need more medical services as they age. Registered nurses are projected to be the third fastest growing occupation between now and 2022. This is largely due to the increased number of aging baby boomers who will need more health care services as they continue to age. This will require more registered nurses in hospitals, nursing homes, outpatient centers, private practices, home healthcare agencies, and other medical facilities. Becoming a registered nurse is one of the easiest ways to enter the healthcare profession. As a registered nurse, you will have a rewarding career where you'll have the opportunity to help people live healthy, happy lives. This also increases their demand as workers, which means higher salaries for them as well. Mechanical engineer designs, develops, builds, and tests mechanical and thermal sensors, mechanisms, including their parts, assemblies, and subsystems. Median annual salary, $82,590. High demand for this job is due to the increased use of robotics. The U.S. BLS predicts high growth in the mechanical engineering field between now and 2022. This is due to the increased use of robotics, which requires qualified mechanical engineers who can design and create robots and related equipment for industrial and other purposes. Becoming a mechanical engineer is an excellent way to enter the STEM fields, where jobs are plentiful. The median annual wage for all mechanical engineers in 2016 was $82,590, according to the BLS. Mechanical engineers design robots and other types of equipment that are used in manufacturing, construction, aerospace applications, and many other industries. You will use your knowledge of computers and math along with your creative problem-solving skills to create a wide variety of machines and mechanical devices. Becoming a mechanical engineer takes the most time and education out of all 4 jobs mentioned above. To become one, you will need at least 4 years of college education. Operations research analyst uses mathematical and analytical methods to address business, engineering, and scientific problems. Median annual salary, $82,590. This job is expected to have a high demand due to organizations using more complex forecasting and modeling techniques. Operations research analysts are projected to be the 5th fastest growing occupation between now and 2022. This is largely due to the increased use of more complex forecasting and modeling techniques in organizations. An operations research analyst uses mathematical and analytical methods to help businesses, engineers, scientists, healthcare professionals, and other professionals make well-informed decisions. To become an operations research analyst, you will also need to have a 4-year degree in mathematics or statistics. Nurse Practitioner. A nurse practitioner is a registered nurse with additional education and clinical training that allows them to provide primary care services. Nurse practitioners are in high demand due to the current doctor shortage and increased focus on preventive care. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of nurse practitioner jobs will grow by 31% between 2016 and 2026, much faster than the average for all occupations. Nurse practitioners can work in a variety of settings, including doctors' offices, hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and clinics. They diagnose and treat common illnesses, order and interpret lab tests and X-rays, prescribe medication, and provide other primary care services. Nurse practitioners require a master's degree in nursing, with some specializations requiring a doctorate. To become a nurse anesthetist, you need to have master's degree in nursing along with being licensed as an advanced practice registered nurse, APIN. Bachelor's degrees are the typical education requirement for other jobs in nursing, while some require only an associate degree. Software developers are in high demand due to the increasing use of computers in business, healthcare, and other areas. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of software developer jobs will grow by 24% between 2016 and 2026. Software developers create applications that allow people to do their jobs more efficiently or that provide them with entertainment. They may design the applications themselves or work with a team of designers and programmers to create them. Applications can be created for desktop computers, mobile devices, or the internet. To become a software developer, you will need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Software developers often need to show their knowledge of different platforms and programming languages when applying for jobs. A bachelor's degree is the most common education requirement for other jobs in information technology, IT. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of computer support specialist positions will grow by 14% between 2016 and 2026. Home Health Aide. Attention, do you want to help people in their own homes? Home health aides provide personal care and assistance to clients in their own homes. They may help with activities of daily living, such as bathing, dressing, and grooming, or with tasks related to healthcare, such as checking vital signs and administering medication. Home health aides play an important role in the lives of their clients, helping them to stay healthy and independent. Aides often develop close relationships with their clients and become an important part of their support system. Physical Therapist Assistant. A physical therapist assistant, PTA, is a healthcare professional who assists physical therapists in providing treatment to patients. PTAs help patients improve their strength, flexibility, and range of motion. They may also help patients regain movement after an injury or illness. To become a PTA, you will need an associate degree from an accredited PTA program. You will also need to be licensed in the state where you plan to work. Physical therapist assistants are in high demand due to the increasing number of people who require physical therapy services. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of PTA jobs will grow by 28% between 2016 and 2026. PTAs work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, private practices, skilled nursing and assisted living facilities, and schools. Computer Systems Analyst. A computer systems analyst is a professional who helps organizations use information technology, IT, to meet their business goals. They may work with an organization's management to come up with a plan for using IT. or they may work with programmers and other IT staff to develop and implement that plan. Computer systems analysts are in high demand due to the increasing use of computers in businesses of all sizes. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of computer systems analyst jobs will grow by 21% between 2016 and 2026. To become a computer systems analyst, you will need a bachelor's degree in information technology or a related field. You will also need some experience in the field, either through a previous job or through an internship. Certifications are not required for this job, but may provide you with added qualifications that could help you get hired. You will likely need to show your knowledge of different platforms and programming languages when you apply for jobs. A bachelor's degree is the most common education requirement for other jobs in information technology, IT. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of computer support specialist positions will grow by 14% between 2016 and 2026. Human Resources Specialist. A human resources specialist is a professional who helps organizations manage their employee relations. They may work with employees to handle issues such as benefits, pay, and leave. They may also help to recruit and hire new employees. Human resources specialists are in high demand due to the increasing number of businesses that are hiring. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of human resources specialist jobs will grow by 10% between 2016 and 2026. To become a human resources specialist, you will need a bachelor's degree in human resources management or a related field. You will also need some experience in the field, either through a previous job or through an internship. Certifications are not required for this job, but may provide you with added qualifications that could help you get hired. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that the number of human resources specialist jobs will grow by 10% between 2016 and 2026.